Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. In the Philippines today, everyone chases the loud kind of wealth, the latest iPhone, the big car, the viral vacation post. But real winners are quietly building something deeper. They are not flexing on TikTok. They sleep well at night. They are already ahead without anyone noticing. This video breaks down the exact quiet wealth checklist that is applicable here in the Philippines. 12 simple signs that prove you are actually winning in 2026 here in the Philippines. Even half of these are true for you right now, you are further ahead than 90% of our kababayan. And yes, we are going to show you smart, affordable ways to tick even more boxes using everyday tools you can grab on Shopee and Lazada right now. So, what are we waiting for? Let us begin. Okay, the 12 signs, maybe 1 minute each with local examples and with local examples here in the Philippines. Number one, sign number one, you have no credit card debt. In a country where interest rates can hit 3% per month, carrying zero credit card balance is pure freedom. No collectors calling during dinner, no sleepless nights wondering how to pay the minimum. If that's you, congratulations! You've already skipped one of the biggest traps most Filipinos fall into. Ay, nako. Sign number two, you pay bills on time without stressing. Meralco, Maynilad, Globe, house rent, all settled before the due date or due date. No late fees, eating your hard-earned peso. That calm feeling when you open your banking app, that's quiet wealth staking. Sign number three, you are saving something every month, even if it's small, whether it's 500 pesos from your salary or 200 pesos from your side hustle. Consistent savings is the foundation, mga kaibigan. In the Philippines, even small amounts compound when you stay disciplined. Sign number four, you have an emergency fund. Typhoon season, sudden hospital bills, or jeepney fare hikes, life in the Philippines throws curveballs. 3 to 6 months of expenses tucked away. Even in high interest digital banks, Maya, GoTime, means you are protected. That peace of mind is priceless. You are investing. Sign number five, you are investing even a little. Maybe 1,000 a month in Pag-ibig MP2 or a few blue chip stocks through an application. Or for me, I'm using COL. Or even your first mutual fund, no? Sun Life, Manulife, and others also. Okay? The point is you are making your money work while you sleep. Sign number six, your lifestyle doesn't eat every dollar you make. You cook at home more than you order at Grab. You take the MRT instead of Grab every single day. And you choose quality over quantity. Your money lasts longer than your paycheck. Sign number seven, you have a plan, even a simple one. A notebook, a phone note, or a simple Excel sheet that says, by next year, I want my emergency fund at 100,000 pesos. And my garden app producing free veggies, having direction beats drifting every single time. Sign number eight, you don't lose sleep over money. That's the ultimate flex. No 3 a.m. anxiety attacks about bills. You have built enough buffers that money problems feel manageable instead of crashing. Sign number 9, you have started saying no to things that don't serve you. No to the barkada drinking session that costs 2 days salary. No to impulse buys at the mall. Yes, to peace and progress, ladies and gentlemen. Sign number 10. You own less that you used to. Your condo or crew or room is decluttered. Less stuff means less stress, less cleaning, and more space, literally and mentally. And here's where it gets exciting. Many Filipinos turning quiet wealth into real growth are starting small balcony or rooftop gardens. Instead of owning more junk, they own productive assets that save money every month. Right now, on Shopee and Lazada, you can grab game-changing starters for under 500 pesos total. The Urban Gardening Shop 8-liter all-purpose soil-less potting mix is just 180 pesos and beats regular loam soil for drainage and nutrients. Pair it with a set of 10 or sturdy nursery pots for only 79 pesos on Shopee, or the elegant Yayamanin pots on Lazada starting at 125 pesos. These aren't random purchases. They are investments in self-sufficiency. Grow kangkong, tomatoes, or chili, and watch your weekly grocery bill drop while you tick more boxes on this checklist. Sign number 11. You stop trying to impress people with stuff. No more buying things just to post on Instagram. You know, real respect comes from stability, not stuff. That shift changes everything. Sign number 12. You're thinking about next year, not just tonight. You are planning for 2027 already. Maybe a bigger emergency fund. Maybe expanding that garden into a mini urban farm. Future you is already thanking present you. Here's the beautiful part. Building quiet wealth doesn't have to feel hard or expensive. Through YouTube shopping on Shopee and Lazada, you can start your own productive garden today and literally grow your wealth. Search soil-less potting mix on Shopee and grab the top-rated 8-liter bag for 100 pesos only, or a 10 kilos organic potting max on Lazada loaded with coco peat, vermicast, and carbonized rice hull, ready to use and perfect for Philippine climate. Add a set of pots, nursery pots, or pearl wave minimalist pots, and you have created a system that produces free food, reduces stress, and keeps more money in your pocket every month. These are real affiliate offers available right now in the description, and I'll be tagging that here at YouTube Shopping. When you shop through the links, you support the channel at zero extra cost to you, and you are investing in your own quiet wealth journey. So here's the truth, ladies and gentlemen. If even 6 of these 12 signs describe you right now, you are already winning in the Philippines. You don't need a million peso salary or a condo in BGC. You just need consistency, discipline, and smart small moves, like starting that simple garden with the right soil and pots. You are further ahead than you think. That's why keep going, my friend. The quiet winners always win in the end. If this video helped you see your own progress, drop "I'm winning" in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Share this with a friend who needs to realize they are already ahead. See you in the next one, where we turn quiet wealth into loud results. Take care and keep building. God bless.